I'm going to show you how to download and install uTorrent on your Windows 11 or Windows 10. If you find this useful, please consider subscribing and liking the video. Now to get this done, you need to launch your Google Chrome. I'm going to use this one. Then you are going to search for uTorrent. Then press on enter. Then this is their official website, www.utorrent.com. So ensure that you have selected the correct website. Now click on it. Then it will bring you to their homepage. Now as you can see, this is uTorrent web. You don't need to download this one, but you will scroll down and you will see uTorrent Classic. So this is the one that we are going to download, the one that we will install in the computer. So you just click on free download. Then it will bring you here on comparing prices. So you will use this free one, a basic free torrent client free. Just click on download now. Then as you can see, it has already downloaded. So you need to double click on the file. Then this pop-up will come up. Now click on yes. Then click on next. Minimize this Chrome. Then click on next. Then you'll have to read this license agreement and privacy policy. Then once you've done that, you'll just click on agree. Then accept. Then this one I will just need the first one and also the last one. So the middle one I'm going to uncheck. Then I'm going to click on next. Then on configuration, the first option here, add an exemption for uTorrent Windows firewall to allow BitTorrent protocol direct connection to other sphere. So you are going to leave that one checked. Then this one, start uTorrent when Windows startup. So you are going to uncheck this one because it will slow down your Windows startup process. But for the rest, you are going to leave checked. So you are going to click on next. Then we are going to give it some few minutes for it to finish. Then as you can see, the installation status. So we are going to wait for a while as it finishes. So if you want to launch the application on exit, just click on finish, then the application will be launched. So as you can see, the app has been launched. So I hope this video was helpful, and if it was, please leave a like and also do not forget to subscribe to my channel. Thank you guys for watching, and I hope to see you in the next one.